Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm recycling some cells from that laptop batteries, and this is my take how I'm doing it. Uh, the main part is this heavy rack chassis is here for the reason that it has some quite a nice slit, and I can sleep easy knowing that there is absolutely no chance that some flaming 1850s would be flying around my workshop. Uh, when I take the cells out of the batteries, first you sort them depending on their voltage. Uh, because you need the next step is to slowly charge them, and uh, I have always 4 cells in parallel, and you don't want to put in a completely dead cell with some cell that has quite a high voltage like 4 volts. They would fight, and they would heat up, and that's generally not good. So you try to select the cells with roughly the similar voltage, like plus minus 250 millivolts, like the half a volt range, and then you charge them quite slowly because there would be maybe at 1 or 2 volts, and they would have would be more likely to heat up. So for each 4 cells there is a there is the TP something charging circuit, and that means that each cell is charging with a current of 250 milliamps, and it has a charge termination current of 25 milliamps. Also, why 4 cells and 1 charger? If you got a heater in one socket, the maximum current the heater can the heater I should explain, is a cell that when charging heats up, and as you have just 1 amp of current, the heater would be warm, but he would not melt. He would not explode, um, not trip the current the device in the cell, current disconnect device in the cell, and it's generally more safe. I have seen like the Jihu Garcia guy. He has like 12 cells in parallel, and then charges them with 5 amps. But if you got a heater, and that heater is taking 5 amps, he would get really hot, and it's not good practice. So 4 cells in parallel, 1 charger, uh, repeated 3 times in here. I have a little voltmeter, they do not work very well, and also a switch that I could use to discharge these 4 cells. All this thing is powered with a old PSU, a computer, and these are they are sold as lithocalas something, and they are generally regarded as the best chargers for recycling the 1860s. Because of the way they operate in the menus, they are fast and also reliable, and but probably these are the cheap chargers slash testers you want to use. And after this, I charge them slowly, charge the cells slowly in these, then you put them in here and test their capacity. And after that, you let the cells rest for 2 or 3 weeks. The longer the better. And as you making something out of the cells, you measure their voltage, and generally anything under 4 volts is regarded as cell that self discharges too fast, and it's not suitable for application. You can of course set your own limits, but 4.0 volts after 2 or 3 weeks is generally the limit. Alright, did I forgot something? I think I did not. Maybe the detail that these chargers are direct wired into the power supply, and they do not use the standard connectors, just for better reliability. Okay, be safe. You doing anything at your own risks, and do not shoot me. Okay, this is my take. You do it however you do want, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.